Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. So dear viewers, today you will see in this video very beautiful and very stylish modern girls nail art ideas. Very beautiful and very stylish modern girls nail art, nail cutting and attractive nail polish ideas in 2023. So dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. You will see stylish 40 plus attractive girls nail art ideas, plain and printed nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art. And you will see in all very stylish different girls nail cutting design. So there's a huge variety of designs in this video. So this video is very helpful for you and very useful for you. So lovely viewers, do you have new ideas of new all girls nail art ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. Today you will see in this videos new all beautiful and stylish girls nail art ideas. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish girls nail art ideas. So dear viewers, today you will see in this video new all modern girls nail art ideas. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please enjoy new all modern girls nail art ideas. So I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Lovely viewers, so take care friends. Allah.